Good afternoon, Richard. Dillon Wright here. It's about 5:30 on Friday, January 15th, and just wanted to attach this video or provide this video to you about this layout modification issue that I had, in hopes that this will help explain it better than I could writing it out. But anyway, this is about the layout modification to the what I'm going to call the company blog homepage. It's item number 1 on your email to me on January the 6th, 2016. This is that email, number 1, in which the estimated time to complete this item is going to be January the 18th, which is Monday or Tuesday. Monday. Anyway, in that originally I said in that layout modification to the company blog homepage or landing page, I wanted to modify it to display all the pictures and all the posts of the made up of the blog, similar to the other topical landing pages. After a lot of research on the topic of blogging, as well as a review of a number of blogs within my industry, I decided that I've made a definitive decision on how the layout for the blog homepage should be. And the page I'm referring to when I keep saying blog homepage would be the page that when you click on either the company blog menu option from the resources drop down menu, when you click on that button, or when you click on the blog link on the dialog box on the home page. Here's an example of the Wright Accounting's homepage. I'm talking about this dialog box here. Right now it just says blog, but it's going to be changed whenever you can. It's going to be changed to Young Professionals and Entrepreneurs blog. So the company blog homepage I keep referring to is, like I said, when you click on that link right there, or when you click on the company blog menu option from the resources drop down menu, that's the page that all this discussion is referring to. And just please note that these instructions that I'm giving right now serve as an adjustment to this item number 1 in your email dated Wednesday, January the 6th, 2016. And these instructions I'm giving right now should override the previous instructions where I was saying I wanted to put every single blog post and image on that company blog homepage. So basically the style that I want to go with is to have on the company blog homepage to have about 10 or 11 posts that you could access from that page. And in just a minute I'm going to show you kind of the layout that I'm wanting to do, and also I'm going to email this to you as well. But basically what will be displayed on that page for each blog post, it'll have the title, the date of the title of the post, the date of the post, the blog post image / picture, and then I'd like to have like the first 1 to 2 sentences of the post that's in the body of the post, have that underneath the picture. Like I said, I'm going to email you this as an attachment. It's like got all the different pages as an example. But what I did to try to make it more visually understandable is I kind of rig this up right here. These are just cutouts from, like I said, I'm going to be emailing you this document. It's 5 pages. But what I did to try to make it a little bit more understandable from a visual perspective is, like here's the first page, and it's right there. And I took the second page, and I just cut out just this part, and I taped it right there. I did the same for the third, the fourth, and the fifth. But I'm just trying to show you what I'm talking about. You know, if you could see on a computer screen, you know, it would just, if you got onto the website and you went to the company blog homepage, you know, you could scroll down and you could see all these different posts on down the page. You could scroll it and you'd see them in this order. But so anyway, I mean, basically it's one, you know, that's one blog post. Like I said, there's the title of the blog post, the date of the blog post, the blog post picture, image, and then, like I said, here's the first sentence or two of the blog post that's in the body of the post, and then at the end of the ... read more. With that read more would be a link to get to the actual post, and then below that would be 2 different posts. Again, starting with the title, the date, picture, the sentences, and this would be another post, another post, another post, and then 4 more posts, and then 1 more post. But anyway, 1 post, 2 posts, 3 posts, 4 posts, 1 post. So in total, that's 11 posts. The goal is that I'm trying to like to do is to get 11 posts on the company blog homepage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again, I'll be emailing that to you anyway. And let's see, the other modifications to this page are disclosed in the review notes memo. I'll just kind of go over it real quick, but I'm emailing this to you. This is the printout. This is a printout of what I anticipate or am wanting to see for the post, for the, like, this would be at the top. This would be the top of the company blog homepage. Over here, as you can see, category. I changed that. That's one thing we need to change is topic. It used to say topics, or no, it says archive right here, and then it says accounting and bookkeeping, entrepreneurship, investments, taxation, blah blah blah. Well, that's not really an archive. That's the category. So that needs to be changed from archives to categories. And then what I want to do is put a true archive below that little text box or dialog box that says archives, and then it really has by month, like January of 2016, December 15, November 15, and so on and so forth. And it had the number of posts out there beside it. And then, let's see, the next, over on this side, this right here is where I was hoping we could put the feed burner, Google feed burner subscription. You can see it says subscribe to this blog, email, and you can subscribe to it right there. Underneath that, what I'm hoping we can do is put a little hyperlink, well, like I guess it would be like a dialog box that says about the author, and that text would also, I would like for it to be a link to the PDF of my bio, the same document that we have as an attachment to my bio on the Our People page. You know, just recently you added a sentence that says something like click here to see a PDF or download a PDF of my bio. Well, I'd also like to put a link right here on this company blog homepage that says about the author, and then the user could click on that, and it would take you to this PDF download of my bio. Like I said, this is also a PDF download on the Our People page of the site. It's the last sentence of my bio. There's a link, you can click on it and this pops up in PDF format. Anyway, back to this, and then underneath, what I want to do is underneath that page, or underneath that link over here, this about the author, if possible, I'd like to put just a little picture of myself, this professional image. I've sent you that picture before. It's the same picture on the Our People page. It's the same picture as is displayed on the Our People page. Anyway, I'd like to put that immediately below that link that says about the author. And then lastly, the one other little dialog box that I'd like to place is right next to the one that says about the author, except this one says blog overview. And I'd like to have that serve as a link to a PDF of this document, which is just basically an overview of the blog, stating who the author is, the purpose of the blog, my background, and the objectives of the blog. And I'd like to have that as a, over here, to have that as, where it says blog overview, to where the user could come over there and click that. That'd be a link. Click that, and this PDF of this document would come up. But that's an overview of basically how I'd like to have the layout of the company blog homepage. And then that's sorry, I'm reading my notes. But yeah, those are the items that I wanted to point out. And again, I'll be emailing all this to you here in just a few minutes. But I just wanted to hopefully help out the cause of explaining what I was wanting by sending this video. Hopefully this helps and makes it easier to understand what it is I'm talking about. And I'll also be sending a picture of this, kind of a storyboard, I guess, of how I foresee the homepage to the company blog being laid out from top to bottom, and you can just scroll down. Anyway, I hope this helps, and I'll be in touch. Let me know of any questions. Thanks.